So, what are we doing? It's Babito G here with a little shout, probably. Look at this. Let's check it out. Inventory. Ooh, the Frontline. This new collab is kicking off with some more. I guess this is what, week 3? Let's do it. What is this? Do I get to pick? I really don't care. Cool. I'm taking all that. Let's see what we're doing with this. Same thing. No, these are weapons. Okay, let's see. Girls Frontline. Hey, these weapons. Terrible. Oh, no, I didn't mean to do that. Shh. Ah, oh well. Alright, let's check this one. Is this, okay, that's an AK-47. Oh, that looks cool. Man of War. PD Dub. Might do. Never. We don't want none of this rare stuff. Don't want none of that shit either. Already got one. Oh no. Damn it. Ah! Second time I messed up. Alright. What is this? Oh, these calling cards. We'll take one. And then we're gonna take this. And that's how you do that. Alright, this Babito G, we out of there.